Part 3 of slime.
Okay, and no indication on her nipples. The hair's been
Can you even see us? Sorry if you can't.
They can.
Can they really? Put a link, a comment down below if you can see her mixing stuff. Mine is so thick, I feel like the spoon is going to snap. You might need a spoon that can go in the bin. Because it's kind of...
Spoon you don't like.
Yeah, a spoon that can go in the bin. Because it's going to get like that.
Pop the bubble! I popped it.
There was no other choice.
Mine looks
Look, it's
green.
just hanging there.
Look at that bubble.
Mine looks green as well.
This time around, the team are observing.
Mine's a prettier green. Yours is like a yellow green.
Yeah, mine's a yellow
It's a tense
green.
time.
But it's so bright. You can see this in the dark.
No, it's great.
I'm going to actually try that.
There's some worrying.
It's glow in the dark. Check out mine.
Yeah, this
Video.
Yeah, with our yellow thing, it has glow in the dark stuff in because we accidentally added it. So this slime is glowing in the dark. It might. I don't know whether it worked or not.
But later,
Look at that.
the team is taking no chances.
At this point, you know, we're.
I thought you were about to eat it. I was like, what? No.
You're
You're too young.
Did I?
No, you're just too young.
Oh look! Look how bright that is.
You're too young and healthy.
Until young and
Look,
healthy.
I'm going to pop this bubble with my slime. If you put the slime on the bubble, look.
On the other side of the park, animal
It just
manager
goes
Jeremy
off.
is taking an unusual route into the orangutan nursery.
Pop. Popped it.
I'll give you a little bit of mine.
9-month-old Dinda has been living full-time in the nursery for 2 weeks now. The primate
And I want a little bit of yours.
several times, but today Jeremy is showing her how to get there on her own. That's how you do it.
Mine is making yours thicker.
You know, a couple of times of doing this, and then if he chooses to stay inside still after that, then that's
Give
okay.
mine back.
You took most of mine.
The orangutan crash helps orphan orangutans.
I took
balance their own
hardly any of yours.
Dinda
Oh, Jesus Christ.
was born at the
Dinda.
park, but rejected.
Rosie, keep stirring it for them.
She was hand-raised by the contact
Because I
with
don't
the
want to
orange
look
and
at the
nursery
bowl.
from Dinda.
So, comment down below which one looks better.
Depends on how
The one
you
on
have
the
them as to how they develop.
right,
I mean,
which is this side, I'm holding, is Millie's.
what you make them.
This one
And,
is mine.
you
Comment down below which one do you think's better.
let them get on with
So we're just going to stir, keep on stirring.
then they're going to progress a lot quicker than a baby that's very
And then
closeted.
I'm going to give a little bit to
Xiaomi is
her.
now 4 years old. When she was a baby, there was no creche at the park, so she spent more time with Keeper Mike and the rest of the primate care staff.
So we're just going to...
Xiaoning here, because we didn't have anywhere for her to go. With
I'm
other
changing. These
orangutans
need to go in the
with-
wash.
With Dinda, she was much slower compared to those. It's not funny, she's still caught up, as you can see. But Dinda was, we were lucky to have this.
Sit in. This is my bowl of rice. See if that works on her. Yep. Oh my god, hers is so stiff.
Become more natural to her.
I've
The
got
outside
it.
enclosure is designed to help
How
the
does
baby
this
learn to
supposed to
climb.
stay on?
Dinda is confident enough around her housemates to explore on her own, but strictly at ground level.
Ask your parents to do
She's got a
this.
big challenge in front of her.
Break it. No, I didn't break it. Yes.
Alright, I'm still here. That's alright.
I'm gonna freeze it, guys. For you guys.
Go.
Terrible.
Okay.
Orangutans are the largest tree-living mammal in the world, and they have a remarkable ability to swing through the treetops.
Put a
As
little.
orangs spend the majority of their day living high, Dinda first developed her head.
If you were an orangutan,
Rosie,
this neck
you're
is
cleaning
very
this up.
difficult to climb on, So hopefully
cleaning
she'll
this
get
mess
over
up.
this vertigo
I'm not.
thing she's got.
I don't want
Goodness,
to.
it's so attractive.
That's
that
why
mess,
I'm not.
she says.
But
Yep.
Jeremy's got one more.
Well, obviously you're cleaning it
shoved
up.
in the house.
No, I'm not.
This is bound to work, isn't it?
Right. This doesn't work, I'm going to give in. Right, now just go and play. I'm not holding you. You're not holding me. Nah, I think little girl's getting tired now, so I think we'll call this soon. She's nodding off. So now I've got to make the decision. Do I stay here and have a
Fucking
kid
film.
with her? Or do I come down and do some work?
Because I don't have a
But somebody
list.
call the fire brigade
Like
for
how
me
that
some
you
stuff. Help!
Back with the woolly monkeys, new mum Kuna is still holding on to her
Kuna.
baby, which is good news, but no one has seen it feed yet. Kuna rejected her last baby, Julio. Thanks to Alison and Mike, he became only the second woolly monkey in the world to survive being hand-reared.
You feel happier now, do you? I can eat
Just-
stuff in
If you
Look at
The team
that.
haven't decided whether or not they should take this baby away to be hand-reared, but
Look
they
at
want
that
to be
and praise
prepared.
it for a moment.
We're getting ready for all eventualities. Everything
The
that I
holy
used,
slime.
Mike used with Julio, we've bought the stuff and we've got here. So now we just need to make best
Shut up,
plan, because
Telly.
I think
wait, I'm just going
at
to turn it
this
down
point, it's now late afternoon, and we need to decide whether
so you can actually hear us.
away from who knows.
Mine's gone in the fridge. You can have the rest of mine as well.
No, I don't want the rest of yours.
Okay, but you're cleaning up. You're welcome. Bye.
Oh, I've got more slime than you.
Guys, if this gets like on your bowls, you don't have to throw the back bowls out because it's fine.
Yeah, you can just wash it off. If you have a habit of wiping stuff on your trousers, you might want to get some trousers that you don't really care about. I'm just gonna wrap this. Oh no, it's hanging. Come on. Like I do. Ah. What even was that?
A wipe. See, easy as pie. Get it off.
Easy as poo.
And of course, my dad's washing up, so you don't have to wash these stuff up. Put yours next to mine in the fridge because that'll be epic. But, yeah.
I'm not putting mine in the fridge
Why?
because I just don't want it.
I mean, in the freezer.
I'm not putting mine in the
Then
freezer
why did you put that like that?
just
Gonna
to store
play
it.
with it. It's weird. She's weird. Wait, Rosie, let me get it off your leg. Just wipe your leg off.
I'm making a
There's some on there.
I'm making a slime castle. Ugh, that
I
feels
just let
weird.
it drop. Oh, let it drop.
Gotta drop. Let it drop. Dab. And dab. Did I just get my hair in that? I think I did. Oh, feels so weird.
Save me! I'm joking.
Get that in that corner. Da, 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 da. Oh, I've got the Stupid Idol song stuck in my head.
So, that has been it for today. If we can get like 5 more, 1 like on this video, then I'll put up this video of me getting it out the freezer. Yeah, that will happen. Ding! So that will happen. And see you. Bye!